Natural joint pain relief, the 4 key strategies for healthier joints. Hello, I'm Alan Warnitz. I'm a nutrition expert and I help people restore their health with nutrition. And today I'm going to talk on a topic that impacts millions of people, which is joint pain. Whether you got arthritis or you got joint inflammation or you've got an old injury or joint stiffness from day-to-day activities, this can impact your life, reduce your mobility and slow you down. But here's the good news. You don't need to rely on medications or surgeries to find relief. I'm here to share 4 natural strategies that can help relieve joint pain and get your mobility back. It's time to reclaim your life and reduce your joint pains naturally. Step 1. Hydrate your joints with electrolytes. First step. It may seem simple, but one of the most overlooked ways to relieve joint pain is to stay hydrated. Your joints need water to stay lubricated, and when you're dehydrated, your joints become stiff and painful. Make sure you're drinking enough water together with electrolytes throughout the day to keep your joints flexible and reduce inflammation. The essential electrolytes are calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium. Sodium you find from salt like Celtic salt, pink Himalayan salt, or sea salt. Step 2. Add inflammatory foods and supplements. Next, you've got to control inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the main drivers of joint pain. The good news? You can reduce it with the right foods and the right supplements. Add anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, and fatty fish to your meals. These foods work like natural painkillers by reducing inflammation in your body. The anti-inflammatory supplements are high amounts of vitamin C, vitamin B5, omega-3, which is supported by vitamin E, B complex, and minerals such as copper, zinc, selenium, manganese, and iron. Number 3, strengthen your joints with collagen. Another important tip, strengthen your joints by supporting your body's collagen production. Collagen is the protein that helps rebuild the cartilage in your joints. Without it, your joints will keep wearing down. Include foods like bone broth, citrus fruits, and eggs in your diet. Or you can take a collagen supplement to help your body repair and rebuild joint tissue. Amino acid supplements that help produce collagen is lysine and proline in the presence of vitamin C. Step 4. Try natural stem cell activation. And for those of you looking for a more advanced solution, one of my favorite tools for joint recovery is the Lifewave X39 patch. These patches use stem cell activation to repair damaged joints naturally. By reactivating your body's dormant stem cells, these patches help your body target and heal areas of inflammation and damage. It's a great, non-invasive option for long-term joint health and pain relief. So there you have it. 4 simple, natural strategies to relieve joint pain and keep your joints healthy for the long run. Hydrate, eat anti-inflammatory foods and supplements, boost collagen, and use natural stem cell activation. If you're ready to start your journey to pain-free living, book a free 30-minute consultation with me. Make sure to subscribe for more holistic health tips. I've got over 100 videos that will help you reverse common health issues using nutrition and natural remedies. See you in the next video, and until then, stay healthy and keep those joints moving.